Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add stickers to Discord. So open your Discord and click on the server where you want to add sticker, and after opening the server click on this drop down, server settings, stickers, and instead of this free sticker option you can upload 5 slot stickers, and if you purchase level 1 then you can upload 10 stickers, and if you have level 2 or level 3 then you will be able to upload 30 stickers and 60 stickers. So right now I'm using free, so now I'm clicking on upload sticker and click on browse, and select your sticker here, and you can add a related emoji, and I'm going to selecting this emoji here and enter the sticker name and click on upload. So here you can see the sticker has been uploaded. Now let's see how to use this sticker. I'm clicking on sticker, and here is the sticker which one I just uploaded. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.